you're doing well. You're kind of, I assume working 80 plus hours a week?
Yeah.
Around that.
Yeah, for sure.
What's going through your mind that first 6 months? You kind of get up to speed. Did you feel like you were ready because of the workshop and like you had the financial modeling skills, all that good jazz?
Yeah, I think so. Honestly, it was a lot of what we expected, and it was probably, I mean, the hours everybody hears about. It was honestly, at least when I was at JP, was probably worse than I was even expecting. But you kind of fight through it, and you get slight glimmers of hope here and there. And right when I was going into was when a lot of the banks, I think Goldman was maybe the first to do it, and it was while I was during my first year where they did like protected Saturdays as an example. One of my roommates in Chicago worked at Goldman, and so he had protected Saturdays. JP, I think maybe a couple of years after I left, started to institute some of those same things.